Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at my cheek, blood. My cheek.
Face is
I'm gonna get that kind of grease in there.
I see you all the time, but dirty boy.
You look all fat them.
And the one boy I've been there for 2 years.
Guys, that's why it's such a good girl. Look.
Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be safe, why make you clean so? Y'all be safe, why make you clean so? I great smoke that flow through the window. Me a overdo it. Woman a fit, love me style, let me smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, me squeeze your breast, them what a jive. Me don't love man, so don't love me. Me get y'all easy like don't me. Me want every y'all out halfway tree. Me a overdo it. Unruly dash, spaceship if I from them can't see. Inna the front, man a squeeze up them girlfriend teeth. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky, vodka we no use.
So Sasha doesn't use the unit's toilet because she thinks her pum pum too prestige. But if I wasn't pregnant, I wouldn't use these toilets. Well, bitch.
If I wasn't pregnant, I wouldn't be there.
Wanna hear that? If she didn't have breed, she wouldn't be in the toilet. Whatever, Felicia, girl. Guys, that's why it's such a good girl. Look, she's bringing her comb. Holding like this.
My eyes look so funny without glasses.
Let me see your eyes. They don't look bad. Sasha, why did you bring a comb? To uni.
When my hair is out, I always walk with a comb.
Is it? Just in case.
Yeah.
No blame me, girl. Your hair's pretty though. You must thank your daddy for the coolie.
Yeah, I thank the bastard for it. It's the only thing I thank him for.
I lie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's so weird that, you know my middle child, Amina, she's proper coolie.
That's what she named Amina?
Amina, yeah. I got Layla, Amina, and Malika.
Same rhyme though.
You never believe that Malika and Amina, they got the same name.
Eh?
Didn't realize.
What do you mean?
You know Amina, middle name is Alika. And then Malika,
Yeah, I
innit?
say labor did I lick your hand.
It's just didn't realize.
Me no know about league, cause we in a World Cup. And enough of them no like how we.
Oi, how that? Wicked. Wagwan bad charge. Over jumble, wicked man thing. Waterhouse, wicked man thing. Rona Juiceland, wicked man thing. Look how the AK pretty and slim. Rona Batu, wicked man thing. Rona Blackburn Ben, wicked man thing. What more say? Wicked man thing. Wicked. I can put you in a log cabin, somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it what you asking for. Put you in a mansion, somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain. I'm not gonna wanna make it take a spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you need. Sing it for me. Everybody, come on. Y'all know what this is.
To my baby. When nights were cold, I kept you warm. Come back home where you.
Hey, cheers.
Ooh, that's so real. What's
I'm glad your face is
I'm gonna get that kind of grease in there.
I see you all the time, but hey, boo. Got my lipstick all over me.
Someone's happy today. Oh, let me turn this up. Come. Good.
I do because I don't want to catch it. But I have caught something before because I did.
For like nasty, dirty boy.
You look all fat them.
And the one boy I've been there for 2 years, she never catch it for me, you know? And the one time we got old.
I saw you always
And
happen.
try something else. Boy.
God slap you with it.
I say a tune off. Sit down. This is a good way.
This freaking asshole. Listen, Rena
You
and
know
this
that
guy
guy,
had
you know?
chemistry.
What guy?
Grey tracksuit.
Great
Yeah?
tracksuit, that guy from last term.
Okay.
Yeah, so
So we all went library now, yeah, and we saw him. Listen, the connection was there, the eye contact was there, the body language was there. Bro, we weren't in the library for hours. This guy wouldn't even say Pim.
he wouldn't even say hi.
He wouldn't even
walked
say
in my face,
Pim.
Sasha. He was like this close to me. He said, "What's up?" He wouldn't even say to me. And all I could do was just stare. He's so beautiful, but he's so stupid. Oh my. Come on, if I'm giving you back eye contact, you're staring me, that I'm staring back at you. Yeah. When you feel like, okay, let me go chat to. No. Yeah, but maybe I should.
Let's look at podcast part. He was on the phone chatting about stupidness. He was on the floor chatting. That's
He was on the phone. Maybe it was just
no, you can actually hear the person on the phone. He was probably just gossiping, chatting, lapping his tongue. Yeah. For the longest time, the wickedest thing is that he and Serena know each other. They know each other, so it's like, why? My skin looks flawless. Look how swollen my cheek is. This wisdom tooth is frigging me up. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at my cheek, blood. My cheek looks fat. Oh, you look laughing. Wicked.
Shit.
Oh, wicked and a wicked.
Hey, this is what it looks like when you don't got no wisdom teeth at cheeks.
You know, it's a business international law.
She's a bitch.
Management, yeah.
Bah, she's a bitch.